In today's digital age, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, in affiliate marketing has revolutionized the way businesses promote products and services online. For beginners looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, understanding the role of AI can be a game changer in optimizing marketing strategies and driving success. AI technology plays a crucial role in streamlining and automating various aspects of affiliate marketing, making it easier for beginners to navigate the complex landscape of online promotion. By harnessing the power of AI, marketers can analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and target specific audiences with precision and efficiency. One of the key benefits of incorporating AI in affiliate marketing is its ability to enhance marketing strategies through data-driven insights. Beginners can leverage AI tools to track performance metrics, analyze consumer behavior, and optimize campaigns for better results. This data-driven approach not only saves time and resources but also ensures that marketing efforts are targeted towards the right audience. Moreover, AI technology empowers beginners to make informed decisions and adapt to changing market dynamics in real time. By utilizing AI-powered tools for tasks such as content optimization, audience segmentation, and personalized recommendations, newcomers in the affiliate marketing field can create more engaging and effective marketing campaigns. As we embark on this journey to explore the world of AI in affiliate marketing, let's embrace the opportunities it presents for beginners to learn, grow, and succeed in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Join us as we uncover the endless possibilities that AI technology offers for aspiring affiliate marketers. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more actionable how-to content. Step 1. Mastering the basics of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services of merchants in exchange for a commission on sales generated through their referral links. In simple terms, affiliates act as middlemen connecting customers with products they're interested in, earning a commission for each successful sale they facilitate. In the affiliate marketing ecosystem, affiliates play a crucial role in driving traffic and sales for merchants by creating content, such as blog posts, reviews, or social media posts, that promote the merchant's products. Affiliates leverage their online presence and marketing skills to attract potential customers and encourage them to make a purchase through their unique affiliate links. On the other hand, merchants are the businesses or individuals who own the products or services being promoted. They provide affiliates with promotional materials, tracking tools, and commission structures to incentivize them to promote their offerings effectively. By partnering with affiliates, merchants can expand their reach, increase sales, and grow their customer base. Customers, the final piece of the affiliate marketing puzzle, are individuals who purchase products or services through affiliate links shared by affiliates. Customers benefit from the recommendations and reviews provided by affiliates, helping them make informed purchasing decisions. This symbiotic relationship between affiliates, merchants, and customers forms the foundation of the affiliate marketing industry. For beginners in affiliate marketing, the income potential is virtually limitless. As affiliates gain experience, build a loyal audience, and optimize their marketing strategies, they can earn passive income through commissions on sales generated through their affiliate links. With dedication, perseverance, and a solid understanding of the basics, beginners can unlock lucrative income opportunities in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing. Step 2. Unveiling the potential of AI in affiliate marketing. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, enabling them to analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. In the marketing industry, AI is revolutionizing how businesses engage with customers, optimize campaigns, and drive results through data-driven insights and automation. In the realm of affiliate marketing, AI technology offers a myriad of applications to enhance marketing strategies and streamline campaign management. By leveraging AI tools, affiliate marketers can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends, understand consumer behavior, and optimize their campaigns for maximum impact. AI-powered algorithms can provide valuable insights into audience preferences, purchasing patterns, and performance metrics, enabling marketers to make informed decisions and tailor their strategies accordingly. One of the key advantages of using AI in affiliate marketing is its ability to automate repetitive tasks, such as content creation, audience segmentation, and campaign optimization. By automating these processes, marketers can save time and resources, allowing them to focus on strategic planning and creative initiatives. AI tools can also help marketers personalize content, target specific audience segments, and deliver relevant recommendations, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. Moreover, AI technology enables affiliate marketers to stay ahead of the competition by adapting to changing market dynamics in real time. By harnessing the power of AI for predictive analytics, trend forecasting, and performance tracking, marketers can optimize their campaigns, maximize ROI, and drive sustainable growth in the competitive affiliate marketing landscape. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of AI in affiliate marketing and unlock the endless possibilities it offers for marketers of all levels. Step 3. Exploring AI affiliate marketing tools and platforms. When it comes to optimizing affiliate marketing campaigns with AI technology, there is a wide array of tools and platforms available to help marketers streamline their strategies, analyze data, and drive results. Let's take a closer look at some popular AI tools for affiliate marketing and compare their features, pricing, and user reviews to help beginners make informed decisions. Ahrefs is a comprehensive SEO tool that offers features such as keyword research, backlink analysis, and competitor analysis to help affiliate marketers improve their search engine rankings and drive organic traffic to their websites. SEMrush is another powerful tool that provides insights into keyword trends, competitor strategies, and content optimization, making it a valuable asset for affiliate marketers looking to enhance their online presence. Google Analytics is a free tool that offers in-depth analytics and reporting capabilities to track website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. By leveraging Google Analytics, affiliate marketers can gain valuable insights into the performance of their campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize their strategies. For beginners in affiliate marketing, it is essential to choose AI tools that are user-friendly, offer tutorials, and provide excellent customer support. Platforms like Ahrefs and SEMrush offer comprehensive tutorials and customer support to help beginners navigate their features and maximize their potential. Additionally, tools like Google Analytics provide a wealth of resources and online guides to assist marketers in understanding and utilizing their analytics capabilities effectively. Be sure and watch this video until the end for our recommended platforms and tools to get you started. By exploring and researching AI affiliate marketing tools and platforms, beginners can equip themselves with the necessary resources to enhance their campaigns, drive results, and achieve success in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Step 4. Crafting an effective strategy for AI-driven affiliate marketing. To succeed in AI-driven affiliate marketing, it is essential to create a well-thought-out strategy that aligns with your goals, target audience, and industry trends. By following these key steps, beginners can develop a solid foundation for their affiliate marketing campaigns and leverage AI technology to drive success. The first step in creating a strategy for AI-driven affiliate marketing is to identify your target audience and niche. Understanding who your audience is, their preferences, and pain points will help you tailor your content and promotions to resonate with them effectively. By leveraging AI tools to analyze audience data and trends, you can gain valuable insights into your target market and optimize your strategies accordingly. Next, develop a content plan that aligns with AI recommendations and industry trends. Utilize AI tools to identify high-performing keywords, trending topics, and content formats that resonate with your audience. By creating valuable and engaging content that aligns with AI insights, you can attract more traffic, increase engagement, and drive conversions for your affiliate marketing campaigns. Setting realistic goals and key performance indicators, KPIs, is crucial to measuring the success of your AI-driven affiliate marketing campaigns. Define specific objectives, such as increasing website traffic, improving conversion rates, or growing your affiliate revenue, and track your progress using AI analytics tools. By monitoring your KPIs and adjusting your strategies based on AI insights, you can optimize your campaigns for maximum impact and achieve your affiliate marketing goals. Step 5. Leveraging AI tools in your affiliate marketing campaigns. As you embark on your journey to implement AI tools in your affiliate marketing campaigns, it's crucial to leverage the power of technology to optimize your strategies, engage your audience, and drive results. By following these key steps, beginners can harness the capabilities of AI to enhance their affiliate marketing efforts and achieve success in the digital landscape. Integrating AI tools into your website is essential for tracking, analytics, and optimization. By incorporating tools such as Google Analytics, Ahrefs, or SEMrush, you can gain valuable insights into website traffic, user behavior, and campaign performance. These tools enable you to track key metrics, analyze data trends, and optimize your strategies based on real-time insights. Utilizing AI algorithms to personalize content and recommendations for your audience is another effective strategy to enhance your affiliate marketing campaigns. By leveraging AI-powered tools for content optimization, audience segmentation, and personalized recommendations, you can create tailored experiences that resonate with your audience and drive engagement and conversions. Monitoring the performance of your AI-driven campaigns and making data-driven adjustments is crucial to optimizing your affiliate marketing strategies. By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, analyzing campaign metrics, and making informed decisions based on AI insights, you can continuously improve your campaigns, maximize ROI, and achieve your affiliate marketing goals. By implementing AI tools in your affiliate marketing campaigns and leveraging technology to your advantage, you can unlock new opportunities, drive growth, and succeed in the competitive world of digital marketing. Embrace the power of AI and watch your affiliate marketing efforts soar to new heights. Step 6. Refining your AI affiliate marketing strategy. As you progress in your AI-driven affiliate marketing journey, it's essential to continuously evaluate and optimize your strategies to stay ahead of the curve and drive sustainable growth. By following these key steps, you can refine your approach, maximize your results, and adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of affiliate marketing. Analyze the data and insights generated by AI tools to refine your marketing approach. By leveraging tools such as Google Analytics, Ahrefs, or SEMrush, you can gain valuable insights into campaign performance, audience behavior, and conversion rates. Analyzing this data allows you to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement, enabling you to refine your strategies and optimize your campaigns for better results. Optimize your campaigns based on AI recommendations and performance metrics. By utilizing AI algorithms to personalize content, target specific audience segments, and optimize your marketing efforts, you can enhance the effectiveness of your campaigns and drive higher engagement and conversions. By continuously testing and refining your strategies based on AI insights, you can fine-tune your approach and achieve optimal results. Continuously learn and adapt to new AI technologies and trends in affiliate marketing to stay competitive and innovative. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, with new AI tools and technologies emerging regularly. By staying informed, attending industry events, and networking with other affiliate marketers, you can stay ahead of the curve, learn from industry experts, and adapt your strategies to leverage the latest AI advancements in affiliate marketing. By evaluating and optimizing your AI affiliate marketing strategy, you can refine your approach, drive results, and achieve long-term success in the dynamic and competitive world of affiliate marketing. Embrace the power of AI, stay agile, and watch your affiliate marketing efforts thrive. In conclusion, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, in affiliate marketing offers a wealth of opportunities for beginners to enhance their strategies, engage their audience, and drive success in the digital landscape. By leveraging AI tools and technologies, affiliate marketers can optimize their campaigns, analyze data-driven insights, and personalize content to resonate with their audience effectively. The importance of AI in affiliate marketing for beginners cannot be overstated. AI technology enables marketers to streamline their efforts, automate tasks, and make data-driven decisions to achieve their goals. By embracing AI, beginners can level the playing field, compete with industry leaders, and unlock new opportunities for growth and success. Click on the links in the description below for platforms and tools to help you get started today. Integrating AI tools into affiliate marketing strategies offers numerous benefits, including improved campaign performance, enhanced audience engagement, and increased conversion rates. By leveraging AI algorithms for content optimization, audience segmentation, and personalized recommendations, marketers can create tailored experiences that drive results and maximize ROI. As you embark on your AI-driven affiliate marketing journey, remember to continuously evaluate, optimize, and adapt your strategies based on AI insights and industry trends. Stay informed, experiment with new technologies, and embrace the power of AI to drive sustainable growth and success in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more AI affiliate marketing tips and insights. Together, let's harness the power of AI to elevate our affiliate marketing strategies and achieve our goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey.